Hi friends, let's start the GK quiz. First question. Which article of the Constitution of India provides early childhood care and education for all children until they complete the age of 6 years? Answer is Article 45. Second question. Which of the following is not a constitutional body? Answer is Niti Aayog. Third question. Vitamin B1 deficiency causes which nutritional disorder that causes problems with peripheral nerves and wasting? Answer is beriberi. Fourth question. According to the Hindu calendar, Holi is celebrated on. Answer is Falguna Purnima. Fifth question. Who was the musical director of the famous song Aiye Mere Watan Ke Lagon, sung by Lata Mangeshkar? Answer is C. Ramachandra. Sixth question. In which type of forests are wild donkeys and camels found in India? Answer is thorny forests and bushes. Seventh question. Who became the first Indian javelin race to win the gold at the Zurich Diamond League? Answer is Neeraj Chopra. Eighth question. Which curve examines the relationship between the rate of unemployment and the rate of money wage changes? Answer is Phillips curve. Ninth question. Swami Dayananda Saraswati founded a reform organization in 1875 that attempted to reform Hinduism. What was it called? Answer is Arya Samaj. 10th question. The Brihadishwara temple at Tanjavur built by? Answer is Rajaraja I. Quiz question. Which diseases result from a deficiency of vitamin B due to its insufficient intake? Please comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.